Good days viewers, welcome back to my channel RORY Burns Tech Tutorial. On my last tutorial I mentioned on how to create Nairaland account, but on this tutorial I want to teach you on how to design YouTube thumbnail. How to design YouTube thumbnail. And remember to subscribe to our channel and click on notification bell for more new videos from RORY Burns Tech Tutorial. The first thing is to create Gmail account or any account and create an account on canva.com. The next thing is to click on create a design up here and search for YouTube. Here is YouTube. So our mission here is to create design YouTube thumbnail. Click on design here, design YouTube thumbnail. It's going to bring us to this page. Here is the page we're going to design our YouTube thumbnail. So the next thing to do is I want to design. Okay, so we can choose from all the templates, Canva the templates here. There are free templates, so let's look for the one we want to make use of. You can choose any. Choose heading. Let's find out the beautiful design. Beautiful design. Beautiful design. Okay, let me make use of just one. Let me make use of this. Let me make use of this. Wow. So the next thing to do is we need to edit those texts on the banner. Edit to your own taste. Now I want to edit this. How to edit this as well. How to design. Okay. How to design. YouTube to design YouTube banner, YouTube. Okay, how to design YouTube thumbnail in 6 minutes. You can see. So I can delete this. I can change this background. Click on this color up here, background, and change it to any color you want. You can see there are a lot of color here. You can choose any color you want. I want to pick this. Wow, you can see. So what next is I will change this. I can change this so RORY Burns Tech Tutorial. RORY Burns Tech Tutorial. This is my logo. You can change this as well. You can change this background, this inner background. You can change it as well if you want. So we can even change this image if you want. can change this image. There are many images here, so you can change it to, okay, let's change this image. If you want to click this, let me do this. I can change it to this. Now we are done with our design. The next thing for us is to click on share and click on download. To download, and click on JPEG here and click on download. Click on download, downloaded. So we can click it to view our design. Here is our design. Here is our design. Hope you learned from this tutorial. Remember to subscribe and to click on notification bell on our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.